All right, I'm replacing my hip battens. We're gonna go ahead and use our 2x2 EBS, or we can use a 1x2 and a 2x2. From outside to outside, they need to be placed 5 inches, and they need to be centered with my hip line and make sure they're straight so my cap stays straight. Then go ahead and finish your gutter riser around your perimeter. All right, when we get our fill panels in, we're ready to measure our hip. We're gonna go ahead and find that profile off of the hip. We don't want to go off the edge of the panel, but on the cottage, there's going to be that first bend. We'll measure there, and we'll get a bottom measurement and a top measurement. And we'll measure to the 2x2 minus a 1/4 inch from the 2x2. That way we don't fight ourselves. So we'll go ahead and get that measurement. Bottom measurement, write it down. Top measurement. We'll write that one down as well. So each panel will have 2 measurements. And we're going to go ahead and just continue up the roof, writing those measurements down as we measure them. And then we'll take our list down to the cutter and bender. All right, we're ready to do our cut panels for our hip. We'll go ahead and get our measurements we got from the roof. And then we're going to go ahead and find that same profile. We'll measure our bottom measurement down here along the bottom, our top along the top. Go ahead and take that straight line, and we'll create a straight line for our bend line and our cut line. Take that to the cutter. Cut along that cut line, bring it to the bender. And bend that up on the bender. Then we'll have this and put it in our pile, and once we get our pile from the eave to the ridge, we'll go ahead and hand that up for installation. Alright, so once we get our stack cut and bent, we're going to go ahead and bring it up, and it will be in order from eave to ridge. Go ahead and take that first panel, place it. We'll have our fold up for 2x2s, then we can go ahead and fasten that as normal. Fasten it down to the bottom here. And also in our top shelf. Then we'll just take our next panel from our pile. Place that one as well. Just continue fastening those going up the roof. And then just continue to go up the roof. Fastening as we go. Continue to the ridge.